Alright, I think I'm recording. What's up, guys? For a little second, we got a little friend in the garage. We were eating our lunch, and then he popped up, but he was already dead, you know, like. And we told him like, "Hey, Kim Jong-un, like, wake up, bro! Like, this ain't no game." Oh shit! He's like beef jerky. Fuck me! I'm fucking in shit in my pants. Oh shit!
Get the fuck out of the way! I'm about to just launch you in the street.
Christian, I thought you said you were a professional.
I am, man. Look, I'm picking up like 2 seconds. Ready? Where's your grabber at, Pete? I need your
I don't know. I'm on my grabber. Put it in the back. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Fuck. Just throw it away like that. Ooh, shit. Ooh. It jumps out. Come on, Christian. Oh my god. This is so fucking stupid. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. I bet if somebody's from the countryside watching this shit, they're gonna be like, what the fuck? Hold on, Christian. Just don't drop it in the trash can like that. I don't want fucking Tintin crawling all over the place. Oh shit.
Wait, where do you want it in there? You want it inside of there?
Yeah. Hold on, that's no good. Hold on. What up, guys? Yeah, no, I'm very consistent with the videos, but here's a sneak peek. So I got my rings and tires loaded up in the car.